This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Sandra Skeporek. Move-in ready custom Gulf access pool home. Home is vacant with furnishing from like model floor plan. Spacious, well-built, 5-bedroom, 5-bath home with luxurious features. Home was completed in 2023. The open concept split floor plan modern home features 15 ceilings in great room with tray ceilings. Huge master suite with tray ceilings, custom built walk-in closets, and amp, ceiling fans. Master bathroom features 2 showers, soaking tub and custom built-ins. Spacious beautiful kitchen with custom cabinetry, luxury stainless steel appliances, and glass cooktop. Dining room west/custom cabinetry. Enjoy the canal with access to the Gulf and relaxing pool in SWFL Paradise. This will be the first and last home need to look at. The pool area has built-in kitchen which is perfect for family gatherings poolside. At the end of a long day, jump in the boat for some sunset fishing. Triple car garage, for your toys. Water and sewer assessments are in and paid. For more information,